Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, now we'll start a new chapter in science, that is electric current and its effects. So, you have studied about electricity in class 6th. So, you have very brief idea about electricity. So there we have known about electric cell, electric switch, electric circuit, how we can make electric circuit and what are used, then conductor, good conductor, bad conductor, okay, about all these things and where we are using electricity. So all these we have studied in class 6th. So today we'll study some more thing about electric current. Means what are its effects? Okay, so let's see. So we have studied about electric components and their only electric components. Here we'll study about symbols. So look at here. Here electric component are given and we can express in symbol. We cannot always draw these components, like we cannot always in an electric circuit we used to connect the bulb with the wire and the wire with the electric cell. So always we cannot represent in these diagrams. For this we need symbol. ଆମେ କେବେ ବି ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇ ଡାଇଗ୍ରାମ ସବୁ ତିଆରି କରିପାରିବାନି, ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଟା ପସିବଲ ନୁହଁ. If there are need of 100 200 means 20 30 electric cell, so these are not possible to make. Okay, so if instead of this we can use these symbols. So let's see. An electronic component can be an element of an electric circuit that helps in its functioning. So components are electric components help in electronic functioning. Whatever functionings means whatever work is done by electricity, thus are done by electric components. The electric circuit allows electricity to flow through it and is used to provide electricity for various purposes like running electric motors, providing electricity to bulb or a fan or generating heat. So heat generate କରିବାକୁ ନହେଲେ bulb fan ଚଲେଇବାକୁ ନହେଲେ ତମର motor ଚଲେଇବାକୁ ଏଇ ସବୁରେ ଆମର କଣ ଦରକାର? We need electricity. That electricity come from electric circuit. A electric circuit allow करे कौन पाए electricity को flow करेगा. So let's see some symbols of different electronic components. So this is electric cell. Okay, this is cell. Okay, this cell you use single cells you are using in your toys and that remote. Okay, wall clock on these electric cells are used. So one electric cell symbol is like that. Look at here, two lines are here and first one is big line and second one is small line. So first big line is positive electrode, then that small one is negative electrode. So we are knowing that electricity flows from positive electrode to negative electrode. Next, electric bulb. So you are seeing everywhere bulb. So different types of bulbs are there. Look at this bulb is represented by this symbol. Means you make like this, then draw like this, then make a circle around it. If look, if it is glowing, what you can do? You will put line above like this. Okay. Then we are knowing about switch. With the help of safety pin, we have made switch. Okay. So you are knowing that if you will switch on, then that will open. Means if you are switch on TV, then The TV will, you can see TV. If you switch off TV, then you cannot see anything on TV. In TV, if you will switch on the light, then light will glow. If you will switch off the light, light will off. Light will not glow. Bulb will not glow. Like that, switch on is what? Switch on position is this. Okay. Then switch off position, look, this one line will be break. Then battery. Battery is what? Battery is formed by different cells. So different cells are used to make battery. So here so many cells you will make battery. So you connect the small line with the big line with dotted mark. That will be battery. Then wire is single line. So this is about different symbols used for electronic components. Next you see battery. I have already told that battery is what? That is made of two or more cells. So battery is defined as combination of two or more cells. In a battery, the negative terminal of a cell, one cell is connected to positive terminal of next cell and so on. So we are knowing that the battery has one positive terminal and one negative terminal. So not battery means cell have. So here you look, the cap position. The cap position is positive, and that metal cap, where metal cap is there, this side it is positive, and here the lower position is has what? The negative terminal. So you will attach positive terminal with negative terminal so that the electricity will flow. So batteries are used in several devices such as toys, remote control, torches, transistor. In all these batteries are used. Okay. So when you are using two or more cell, that is known as battery. Look at here, a battery of 2 cell, a battery of 4 cell, connecting 2 cell together to make a battery. So here one battery is attached to other battery, means negative negative terminal of battery, one battery is attached to positive terminal of battery. Here also they are fixed. Okay, but here you see they are the positive terminal of one battery is attached to negative terminal of other battery by the wire. So these two are battery, these two are forming one battery, but here look, this is not attached to this. Okay. So here positive terminal and here negative terminal. So this positive terminal is attached to negative terminal. Next you will see electric circuit. So how we can draw an electric circuit diagram. So we are knowing that in electric circuit what we need? We need a switch, then a cell, then a bulb and some wires. So the switch has two wires. Those two wires has been attached to that bulb and cell, and the cell and bulb are attached to by wire. So look at here bulb is this is bulb, and this is cell, and this is switch. Look at here, switch is on because the 2 points are joined by line. That's why switch is on. That's why the bulb is glowing. If we'll make switch off like this, then bulb will not glow, and all the wires should be represented by line. So an electric circuit can be drawn on a paper with the help of symbols that are used for representing electronic components. The symbol of electronic component. Such a representation of electric circuit using its symbol is called electric circuit diagram. The electric circuit diagram consists of a key that acts as switch. Now the switch is called here in diagram key. The key can be placed anywhere in the circuit. You can place here or you can make here. Okay, like this. Or you can keep here anywhere in the circuit. You can place the key. Next we'll see When the key is switched off or opened, the circuit is said to be open circuit as it is incomplete. So, if this type of if this type of diagram is there, means this key is switched off, means that circuit is open, then it is called open circuit because it is incomplete and bulb will not glow. Next, closed circuit you have seen, this is a closed circuit. So when the key is switched on or closed the circuit, it's said to be a closed circuit as it is complete. Okay. The electric circuit shown here consists of a bulb. The bulb has wire present inside it called the filament. When the electric current passes through the filament, it closed. The filament breaks when the bulb gets fused. Okay. So sorry, not closed, it glows. Okay, when electric current passes through the filament, it glows. So, and bulb has filament, the wire present inside the bulb. These wires, this wire is known as filament. Okay, this one we have studied in class 6 also. And through this wire electricity will flow. When electricity will flow, bulb will glow. Then the filament breaks when the bulb gets fused. If the look at here, filament has been broken, that's why we will tell that this bulb is fused. What happens when filament of bulb breaks? The same thing, when the filament of bulb breaks, the circuit of the bulb becomes incomplete because electricity will come through this wire and cannot pass through this wire because here wire is not closed. That's why bulb will not glow and it does not receive an electricity. Next is heating effect of electric current. Do you know that when you touch the bulb or fan after suddenly after closing the switching off the fan or bulb, what will happen? You will see that bulb or fan will become hot. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ସୁଇଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରିଦିଅ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସୁଇଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରିକି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବଲ୍ବକୁ ନହେଲେ ସେ ଯେଉଁ କ'ଣ କରିଦିଏ ଫ୍ୟାନ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ବି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଛୁଇଁବ ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ଲାଗିବ ସେଟା ଗରମ ଲାଗିବ ତାତି ଯାଇଥିବ ସେ ଗରମ କେମିତି ହୁଏ ଓକେ ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ବିକମ୍ ହଟ୍ ବଟ୍ କିଛି ଟାଇମ୍ ପରେ କ'ଣ ହବ ସେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଯିବ ବଟ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯଦି ତମେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ମାନେ ସୁଇଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ କରିକି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତମେ ଯଦି ଟଚ୍ କରିବ ତମକୁ ଗରମ ଲାଗିବ ବଲ୍ବ ବହୁତ ତାତି ଯାଇଥାଏ okay why this used to happen let's see when an electric current passes through a wire the wire gets heated up wire re electric current pass kale kono wire heat heijae garam heijae this is known as heating effect of electricity okay the heat that is produced in wire depends upon the following factors means wire रे जेतेले electricity flow करे सेटा कोन हे जाय heated up होई जाय means गरम हे जाय सेइत पे हमें ताकू जदी बहुत समय यूज कर साइला पर ताकू जदी टच करबो तले हम कोन करबो आफ्टर स्विचिंग ऑफ देन will feel hot this heat is used in our day to day life এই heat को electricity इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो हीटिंग इफेक्ट हुए ताको हमें बहुत सारे डेली लाइफ रे यूज करू जेमिति ओके कोउथ पे हीट हुए द मटेरियल ऑफ द वायर जदि भलो मटेरियल तयारी हेइथो ताहले ओके मींस लाइक योर कॉपर और योर iron so that depends upon those material of the wire in कोउथिर wire तयारी हेछि length of the wire if wire is long how much long and thickness of wire केते तमरो thick means मोटा एई सब ऊपर तमरो डिपेंड करे कोन how much heat will be produced केते heat produce होबे many appliances work on heating effect of electric current बहुत सारा appliance होची heating effect of color electric current रे जेमिति इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर हीटर रे कोन थाए हीटर contains so much coil When electricity pass through these coils of wire, then these get heated and you can cook. Electric iron, you are using iron, electric stove. This is electric stove, sorry. That is induction stove. Okay. Then geyser. This one is geyser. Geyser is used. Where geyser is used? To warm, to heat water. Okay. To get hot water for bathing. Then electric coffee maker. This is the electric kettle where we'll make coffee or that directly you can make the coffee. Okay. Then toaster. Toaster what will do? You'll toast the bread. So this is the toaster. Then hair dryer. Here electric room heater is also there. Room heater, we have room heater to when room heater is used when it is used in winter season. So look, hair dryer. When you are using hair dryer, when your hair is wet, चुटी ଯେତେବେଳେ ଓଦା ଥାଏ ତାହେଲେ ତମେ କଣ କର hair dryer use କରିକି ଚୁଟିକୁ ଶୁଖାଅ. Okay, we'll dry our hair with hair dryer, and that is also an electrical appliance that works on the electric effect of heating effect of electric current. ये सब heating effect of electric current रे काम करे. तो एथिरे कौन हुए? Electricity will pass through them and that will convert it into heat. बहुत सारे heat produce हुए से heat को हमें use करो either cooking or boiling water or making the room heat room here hot or increasing the temperature or drying our air here like this or toasting bread. Okay, so all these elements produce high amount of heat when electricity passes through them. However, this amount can change depending upon the requirements of device. This is so because they contain a coil of wire as an element. So ତା ଭିତରେ wire କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? Coil ହେଇକି ଥାଏ. ଏମିତି ଗୁଡ଼େଇ ହେଇକି wire ଥାଏ. Means that coil of wire is known as a coil of wire କ'ଣ କହୁଛି? Element. ତ ତମେ coil of wire କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିପାରିବ? You can see inside hair dryer. Hair dryer ଭିତରେ ବାହାରୁ ତମକୁ coil of wire ଦେଖାଯିବ. Okay. But and in electric heater also and room heater also you can see the coil of wire. But in electric iron that is not visible because that is inside this iron and that is also inside the electric kettle. That's why it is not visible. Next, depending upon the amount of heat required by such appliance, different types, sizes and length of wire are used in them. जो टाइप रो तुम दरकार पड़िबो सेही टाइप रो appliance रे सेही टाइप रो wire use कराजिबो. Some wires can break down or melt as they get heated. किछि wire अछन सेमानकु हीट कले संगे संगे मेल्ट हो जाती. ओके और ब्रेक हो जाते. देखिए प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लाइट in a bulb due to heating effect occur. ଯେତେବେଳେ bulb ରେ electricity pass करे ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହୁଏ? ଏ bulb ଟା heat ହେଇଯାଏ means ଗରମ ହେଇଯାଏ. So there also heating effect is working. So the filament of a bulb is a coiled wire that gets hot when electricity pass through it. ଏଥିରେ electricity pass କଲେ hot ହେଇଯାଏ. This makes the filament glow as a light is produced. So when electricity will pass, then it will become hot, then the bulb will glow. Light produce हुए. Then we will see an electric fuse. So we are knowing that some wires are there that will melt. Okay, when you will get heated. ताकि जब गरम करिवो से संगे संगे melt ହେଇଯିବ or break ହେଇଯିବ. So those wires are used for making fuse. Okay, let's see what is fuse. First, an electric fuse is a device that is used to prevent the damage that can be caused of excess of electric current. So बेले बेले कौन हुए आमर जेतिकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दरकार पड़े ताठू अधिक इलेक्ट्रिक करंट flow हुए. So when this electric current will flow, excess electric current, that time the fuse will protect the device. Okay, so or any fuse will protect the fuse will prevent the damage. जहाँ damage हवा कथा से इथरो कौन हुए fuse prevention करे. According to heating effect of electric current, wire becomes hot as current is passed through it. However, if an excess of current is passed through it, a wire it can melt through a wire it can melt or break. So, in fuse there will be wire. Fuse re emiti wire thae. I read here inside fuse wire is there. When electricity will flow, excess of electricity will flow, then it will melt. Okay, এটা কোন হয়েছে মেল্ট হয়ে যায়. Then if it will melt, it will break. Okay, এটা break হয়ে যায়. এটা ভাঙি গলে এই পোর্শনে ভাঙি গলে কোন হবে means when the wire will break, then the electricity will not flow. It will stop flowing. Electricity flow হবনি, then যাহা damage হবা কথা সে damage भी হবনি. The electric fuse consists of a wire which is made of a metal or an alloy which has low melting point. जहाँ low melting point है same type of metal usual. As a result, the wire breaks down easily as high current passes through it. As the wire breaks, the circuit of the fuse opens, hence no current passes through it. The same thing what I have told. This can prevent a short circuit of fire due to high electric current. High electric flow कौन हुए? Short circuit है जे. Means ସେଇଠି ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଯାଏ. Okay, short circuit means what? There will be heavy load. Different types of fuses are used for different devices. Some are also available for houses as well. ଆମ house ରେ ବହୁତ different type of fuse use ହୁଏ. How can excessive current pass through a circuit? Okay, excessive current pass କରିବାରେ different region ଥାଏ. Okay, we'll see what are the regions. Sometimes we connect different devices to the same socket which results in drawing off more current from that socket. As a result, the load on the circuit increases. It can lead to short circuit or fire. Short circuit ଯେତେବେଳେ ହୁଏ ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହୁଏ? ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେମ୍ ସକେଟରେ ଯୋଉଠି ତମେ ପ୍ଲଗ କର ସେଇ ସେମ୍ ସକେଟରେ ତମେ କଣ କରିବ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଡିଭାଇସକୁ ଆଟାଚ୍ କରିଥିବ, ପ୍ଲଗିଂ କରିଥିବ, ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ସର୍ଟ सर्किट ହବ. Or when the insulation of wires turn away. Insulation of wire have insulation, wire ଉପରେ insulation, plastic ର insulation ଥାଏ, ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ବାହାରି ଯାଇଥିବ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ? The two wires will came in contact, wires of contact ଆସିଗଲେ came in contact and which cause a spark or may lead to fire or short circuit. Okay, so if ଦିଟା wire ଯାଇଛି ସେ ଦିଟା wire କୁ କୋଉଥିରେ cover କରାହେଇଥାଏ? Insulator, plastic or rubber like this. If that will wear off means ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ବାହାରି ଯାଇଥିବ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ? Those two will come in contact and they have short circuit. This is why fuses are used to prevent any kind of short circuit and overloading. Next is CFL. We have seen normal bulb is there, it will get heated so easily. Okay, so instead of that bulb and that will get sorry and that will get fuse so easily. Why? जो तुम नॉर्मल बल्ब जमी 100 वाट बल्ब थाए तो कौन हुए सेटा कौन हुए 100 वाट कि 40-50 वाट बल्ब सेटा कौन हुए तुम बहुत शीघ्र माने कौन डैमेज हो जाए बहुत शीघ्र तुम यूज मीन्स सेटा तार फ्यूज हो जाए. सो लुक एट हियर ए जो बल्ब अच्छी ए बल्बटा बहुत शीघ्र will this bulb will become fuse so easily. Okay, so instead of that we can use CFL. CFL is what? Compact fluorescent lamp. So what is CFL? CFLs do not work on heating effect of electric current. Heating effect दरकार नहीं. They do not have filament inside them. Instead contain two electrodes that produce light. या भितरे कौन नहीं filament नहीं. या भितरे कौन अच्छी? Dita electrode. They have two electrodes that produce light. These bulbs have fluorescent coating. ता ऊपर fluorescent coating. Fluorescent means what? When electricity will flow, that will glow. That is fluorescent. inside them, which makes the light brighter. Light को brighter करा, आहुरी bright है. Light जले. CFLs thus save energy as they do not produce electric heat along with the light. Light से तो समाने बेसी heat produce करते नहीं. That's why they are saving energy. Ordinary bulbs, on the other hand, waste energy as they get heated while lighting. Ordinary bulb जोटा this one, this ordinary bulb, they will produce so much heat and waste and heat energy. Okay, and apart from these, there are lights which can which are better than CFL. Those are what? Those are LEDs. LEDs are what? LEDs will save so much energy and they will glow so much, means they will glow more than CFL, and that is what? Light emitting diode. Okay, so LED is far better than CFL. Okay, then we'll see ISI mark. So whenever you have seen the advertisement in the TV, then they used to say for electrical appliances, electrical appliance ki tomaro jo kon konti any mechanical appliances like your TV, fridge, okay, other electrical appliances or your helmet, all those things. When you are purchasing, that time they used to say that you will see the ISI mark. ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ? ISI mark ଦେଖିକି କିଣ. Okay, when you are purchasing gold, what you are seeing? You are seeing the hallmark. ଯେତେବେଳେ gold purchase କର, gold କିଣ, ସେତେବେଳେ ତ କ'ଣ ଦେଖ? Hallmark ଦେଖ. Because if it has hallmark, it is pure and it is right thing. So when you as you are purchasing gold by seeing the ISI mark, in while purchasing the electronic items or electrical appliances, you will see the ISI mark. ଯେମିତି ତମେ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ କିଣିଲା ବେଳେ ତମର ମାନେ ତମେ ହଲମାର୍କ କୁ ଦେଖ, ସେମିତି ତମେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଆପ୍ଲାଏନ୍ସେସ୍ କିଣିଲା ବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବ? ISI mark. What is ISI? ISI stands for Indian Standards Institute. Okay, it will give a standard mark that this product is good and it will not create any wastage or any problem. So which standardize all electrical appliances. Hence, if any appliance does not have ISI mark over it, it means that the appliance does not conform to the standard guidelines of ISI. Hence, it is not safe to use. जो ISI जो थ्रो ISI mark नथिबो सेटा सेफ सेथरे यूज होई परिबो. तो सेटा सेफ न यूज करे. तमरो हेलमेट रे भी कोन देखि किनिया कुहा जे ISI mark. On the other hand, if an appliance holds such a mark, it means that it is safe to use, it is a quality product, tar quality thibo bhalo quality, and it will not lead to the wastage of electricity. Look at here, in geyser you will see ISI mark. If you will see the any electrical appliance before purchasing, you see the ISI mark. Purchase means किनिया पूर्वरु तमे सेथरे ISI mark देखियो in electrical appliance. If it has ISI mark, means it is good. It is of good quality. Next you see miniature circuit breaker. So we have learnt about that fuse. Miniature circuit breaker is like fuse. Okay, but in fuse the wire will will melt. But in miniature circuit breaker, wire will not break. A miniature circuit breaker or MCB is generally used instead of fuses. Fuse रे कौन हुए? Fuse रे तमरो वायर थाए. वायर जेतेबेले ब्रेक हे जाए, एटा जेतेबेले कटि जाए, मेल्ट हे जाए, तापरे आमे कोन करू? तापरे ताकू खोले कि आउ थोरे मींस आ गोटे नुआ वायर जोड़ी दो. That's so that the electricity will flow. जेतेबेले वायर एई वायर फ्यूज रे जेतेबेले फ्यूज टा कटि जाइथिबो, तेतेबेले एई वायर को चेंज न कले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होबनी. Okay, but in miniature circuit breaker or MCB is a switch which turns off in its own when a circuit overloads. से turn off हो जाए. सेतरे switch on switch off अच्छे सेटा turn off हो जाए. देखो एमती अच्छी. So automatically it will turn off when there is overloading of electric current. So if fuse breaks due to excessive electric current, so that circuit opens up and damage can be prevented. Once fuse breaks down, it cannot be used again. जब तक fuse break है जे ताको use करी हबन. ताको आउथर केमती use करिवो? You have to put an wire here. But in MCB, no need to take out because they have switch. This switch will turn off when there is overloading of electricity. जब electricity overload हो जाए, सेतेले कौन हो जाए? A switch turn off हो जाए. Once the circuit is rectified, we can switch on the MCB once again. जेतेले problem sort out हो जाए, again ताको हमें switch on करी परिबो. Okay. Next. Till now we have studied heating effect of electricity. There is also magnetic effect of electricity. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ମାନେ ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ୱାୟାର ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ କଣ କହନ୍ତି ତା ଉପରେ ଇନ୍ସୁଲେଟର ଲାଗି ନଥିବ ସେଇ ୱାୟାର ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ କଣ ହବ ସେଇ ୱାୟାର ଯଦି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଫ୍ଲୋ ହଉଥିବ ତମେ ତା ସହିତ ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ. ଓକେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ମାନେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଲାଗେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ସକ୍ ଲାଗିଯାଏ. Because when they are going near to high voltage wire, that time what will happen? They will get attract to that wire and electricity will flow through the body. Okay. So that means attracting power is what? Magnetic effect. Okay. So when an electric current is passed through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Magnet is what is magnet? Magnet has a property that is magnetic property. Magnetic property is to attract any metal. Okay, to attract any metal. So magnetic or any magnetic bodies. So it behaves like a magnet. This is called magnetic effect of electric current, which was discovered by a scientist Hans Christian Ørsted. That the date of birth here is 1717 AD, 1777 AD to 1851 means death in 1851 AD. So he discovered that needle of a compass. You have studied about compass and you have seen compass in class 6, that a compass you have seen this is a round and there it will be there we have needle like this and one part of needle will be colored red that will show the north. Okay, with that with help of needle what we can see? We can see the north south direction. So the needle of this compass deflects means holiday. Okay, it will move like this. Okay, deflects when electric current is passed through the wire placed near the compass. Compass ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ wire ରଖିଥିବ and if in through this wire electricity will flow, a wire electricity flow ହେଲେ କଣ ହବ? This needle will deflect. A needle ଟା କଣ ହବ ଯୋଉ compass ଭିତରେ ସେଟା ହଲିବ. This indicates that magnetic field is created near the wire because if you take this compass near to a magnet, then what will happen? This will deflect means এটা ହଲିବ. ଯଦି ତମେ compass को गोटे magnet पाखरे नबो ताहले needle magnet भीतर जो needle थाए से हले means deflect हुए. Like why? Because it will attract. Okay, this magnet will attract this needle. This is also magnetic. This has magnetic property. Like this, if you will keep जब तमे जो wire पाखरे रखिबो जो थरे की electricity flow होतबो सेतरे ये deflect करियो means that it has that this wire when through this wire when the electricity will flow this will create the magnetic field so that it will create the deflection in the needle. A needle deflection create करेगी. Look at here battery switch given north south direction. Okay, and look here battery switch means electric circuit is given. Okay, so look at here when switch is on, in this two switch is on, electricity is flowing. When electricity is flowing through like this, okay, means here positive to negative like this is what? This is anti-clockwise position. Then the electricity means north side will go up. Okay, so the magnetic compass needle will deflect like this. Means it will go towards the wire. Wire aduku north pole of wire needle will go near. Okay. Then look at here. Here now look at here. The electricity is flowing from positive to negative in clockwise way. In clockwise way means north to south. The north to south means here the south portion will be attracted, okay, and north portion will be deflected or will be repelled. So here this will move like this, and this will move up, and this will move down. Okay. So like this magnetic compass needle is attracted or deflected due to electric current. If electric current is flowing through south to north, then north is deflected to the wire. And when electricity is flowing from north to south, then south is south, south portion means the south direction of that needle is deflected towards the wire. Next, we see electromagnet. By electricity, we can make a magnet. That magnet is known as electromagnet. So, look at here. What is there? Here, battery is here, and the wire is coiled around a iron bar. Okay. So that when electricity will flow through this wire, then what will happen? They will make a they will make a electrical they will make electro um, magnetic field like this. They will make a electromagnetic field, and this electromagnetic field will transform this iron bar into electromagnet. This will work as a magnet. When electricity will stop flowing, ଯେତେବେଳେ electricity flow ହବନି ସେତେବେଳେ no electro no electromagnetic area will be formed. Magnetic area कोशी form हबनी, and this iron bar will not work as magnet. A iron bar a magnet भले काम करिବନି. Okay. So for this you need electricity. So every magnetic material has a magnetic field. We know because a bar magnet or in a horseshoe magnet you can see, or any magnet, they have magnetic fields. So on the end, in the end or pole side, the magnetic effect is more. Pole side रे कौन हुए तमरो magnetic effect more थाए. That's why so many things means so many irons are attached at the pole. Pole side रे सब iron filling attached. But here also they have, on the side also they have magnetic field. Okay, like this. So they have magnetic field. Every magnet has magnetic field by which we feel or we experience magnetism. Okay, magnetism means attraction of cobalt, nickel, or iron will be experienced. A magnet whose magnetic field is generated with the help of electric current is called electromagnet. The electricity means electricity or electric current help ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ magnet produce କରିବା magnetic field, then that is electromagnet. And electromagnet is formed because of magnetic effect of electric current. Electric current ର magnetic effect through रे ही कौन formation हुए तमरो electromagnet. So if electricity will flow, then it will produce electromagnet. If you will stop the electricity, then electromagnet will not be produced. So these electromagnets have so many application. बहुत जगह यूज कर तुम जैसे भी टॉयज अच्छे प्राय टॉयज रे तुम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट यूज तुम जो मोबाइल लैपटॉप टीवी फैन. Okay, so many things you are using in your home, that electric appliances that have what, that have electromagnets. Electromagnet ଅଛି. So electromagnets are used in domestic appliances like electric bells. जो तमरो electric bell अच्छी ସେଥିରେ भी तमरो electromagnet use कर. These are used in toys, all kind of telecommunication equipment. Telecommunication equipment means mobile, uh, then your telephone. All these have what? Your electromagnet. They are used in cranes to separate magnetic materials from junk and to lift heavy objects. Magnetic materials means iron, nickel, cobalt like things. Those can be picked up, or you can lift heavy things. Like look, this car is a heavy things. This can be lifted by this electromagnet of the crane. Next, this is a toy which is has been work which is used by which is using the electromagnet. Next, they are used by doctors to remove magnetic materials that we have fallen in eye. आखिर जदि किसी magnetic material जेमती लुहा आयरन नहले कोबाल्ट निकल जहाँ भी पड़ जाए तो ताको बाहर करने पे कौन यूज कर जे magnet. They use magnet. Okay, electromagnet. We'll see electric bell. Electric bell has this type of setup. एमिति setup है. Battery, then switch, then here gong is there, then electromagnet, then spring is there, then soft iron armature, then hammer is there. So if you will put on switch, what will happen? We'll see. A components of electric bell, a coil of wire wound over an iron piece that forms electric magnet. ये हमारा electric magnet form करियो कौन था? Iron piece अच्छी आयरन पीस ऊपर कौन उंड कराई उंड माने गुड़ाई है कौन उंड कराई a coil of wire, an iron strip or soft iron armature which has a hammer attached to each, which is joined to the wire of coil. देखो this is a soft iron armature. Okay, ता सहित कौन लगता है hammer that has been connected to what? This has been connected to the wire coil. This is joined to wire coil. यहाँ से तो join है. Next is what? A contact screw through which is attached an iron strip. This iron strip is attached with the contact screw. Then a battery which connects the wire coil and the contact screw. Battery is here attached. Then a switch in the middle of circuit. Switch in the middle of circuit. Here. Switch is in the middle of circuit. How it will work? When the switch of the bell is on, electric current flows through the coil of wire which makes the iron piece attached to it as an electric magnet. ଯେତେବେଳେ switch on କର ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହବ? Switch after switching on, that electricity will flow through this wire which is covering the soft which is covering the iron piece. A iron piece को cover करी जो तमरो wire जाइछि ता भीतर electricity flow होबो. Okay, and it will form electromagnet. As a result, the iron piece attracts the hammer towards itself. The hammer thus hits the bell and a sound is produced. So here the iron piece will this will become what? This will become iron magnet, and this is a soft iron armature. So this will what? This will be attracted towards it. या पाखକୁ attract हबो काहे ना एटा इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट हे गेला. So this will be attracted towards it. ये जदि एपटू attract हला एठी हमर जो गंग अछि एटा कोन ए हमरटा या सहित बाजी जिवो. बाजिले कोन हबो? Sound produce करिवो. As a hammer moves towards the iron piece, it moves away from the contact screw which breaks down the circuit. ଯେତେବେଳେ ये एपटे move करे सो कोन हुए ए contact screw एई जो contact screw अछि एई थारु कोन हे जे detach हे जे. Okay, and it will the electricity will stop flowing. Electricity out flow when as the circuit breaks, the wire coil stops receiving any current, which makes electromagnet lose its magnetic effect. As a result, the ML falls back to its original position. The electricity flow हुए से जो बाड़े हेतला हैमर पुणी आउथरे कोन ओरिजिनल पोजीशन को पळे आसी. As a result, then as a hammer falls back, the iron strip again comes in contact with the screw and the circuit gets completed. Again कौन हुए जेतବେଳେ hammer original position को आसीଯିବ सेतବେଳେ तमर screw सहित ये attach ହେଇଯିବ. Next, this again turns the iron piece into electromagnet and the whole process continues until the bell is switched off. जिथे पर्यंत bell switched off हैनी ए whole process चलते this results in continuous ringing of bell. Okay, so this is the process how electric bell works. So here we have the electromagnet which attracted this iron piece and this hammer will come and it will hit this gong. A gong को hit करो. Then if it after coming towards this will be detached to the screw. Screw सहित detach हो जाए and अलगा हो जाए. Then electricity will stop flowing. Then again it will come back to original position. Then again it will form the electricity will flow and again this will happen. Okay. So this is about working of electric bell. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.